Hi, my name is Vijaya Lakshmi Suvarna. I am the Managing Director and CEO of Liberation Coaches Private Limited. I'm also an independent director with a couple of companies like Gopal Snacks and LCC Projects and Unique Chains. So I've been staying at the Homeland Stay in Ahmedabad with Ketan Bhai and Trupti Ben, and it's been a fabulous journey because they have brought a lot of homeliness and warmth to a concept, of homestay. Usually it's very commercialized or it's dirty. And let me tell you, in all of most of Gujarat, they don't really understand the concept of hospitality in the home in terms of the space or the cleanliness. But these guys have just surpassed themselves. It's fantastic the way they have kept the house. It's almost as if the children love my stay here. Let me tell you some of the unique things that they have done. One is they have this tiny, lawn which you overlook, and it looks great. Okay, and then you have the lawn outside in the balcony. Just sit out, so it's not bare floor. It's got grass on it, so it's very nice and cozy and warm and soft. The rooms are very well appointed and clean, just like you have at home, right? Nice blankets and cozy pillows and a few cushions and throws. Plants all around, and there's a skylight. It's so cool. There's a skylight, and the sky kind of drizzles beautiful sunlight in the kitchen during the day. And what I really loved about the overall environment here is that it leads up to their house inside. So it's their own home. And what they've done is they have created a beautiful menu. Exactly what you would love to eat when you travel somewhere to maybe a favorite aunt's place or a favorite uncle's place or a sister's place, So we've had breakfast, we've had lunch, we've had dinner. And the food is served with so much of love, and it's absolutely yum. It's tasty. It's made with ghee. It's not oil or dalda. It's made with ghee. And there are tiny pickles and accompaniments. And once I got some kachoris, and we had a fight over how many kachoris who got. And it's been a wonderful, wonderful stay. Me and my daughter had come here for just a small holiday of a couple of days, and we stayed here for 3 nights. Yes, and all 3 nights, fantastic. And don't miss the tiny stickers on the switches so you know which button leads to what. Plus the home has been designed with sensors for movement, so the lights go on when you walk into the room. You feel like a celebrity. So I want to tell you that Trupti and Ketan Bhai have created a beautiful home in Ahmedabad called the Homestay. And if you ever get a chance to visit here, there are 3 bedrooms, so you can really come with an entire family and have a great time and see what loving Gujarat is all about.
Thank you, Vijaya.